Lucky, you're having a hard time. You need to drink some water. Lucky, drink some water. Go on. Come on, Lucky. Come on. Come on. Yeah, this is not good. I'm so sorry, honey. We gotta take you to the vet. Yes, we do. Now you can't see very good. Let's go outside. Freckles. Freckles. No. 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 Come on, let's go outside. Should have had this door open to begin with so we could see better. Come on, Lucky, let's go outside. Wow. Did you see them run and open the door? Hey, Freckles. 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 Who's there? You know who that is. Who is that? Hey. Tuxie, be nice. Hey. Hi there. I don't know his name. Go play. Go play. Go play. Hey. Oh, that's okay. They're playing. Pete, they're playing. That's all right. Hey, Tuxie. Okay, this is a bad film. Oh, wow. Lucky likes the snow. Lucky likes the snow. Don't you? Feels good. Yes, it does. Feels good. Nice, Lucky. Good girl. Girls, behave. Hi,